appearing for interview.
You are no. Now interview, they will give appointment. Only thing is, they will ask you to join after delivery. They
Okay, okay,
they won't take anybody over 7 months old pregnant for the
okay,
employment. Yeah.
okay.
Now you please read what is equity.
Equity is equal to assets minus total liabilities.
Continue. Question number you read 152.
152. What is known as market capitalization? Market capitalization is the aggregate valuation of the company based on its current share price, and the total number of outstanding stocks.
Okay. Continue.
153. What
Mm,
is known as securitization?
mm,
Securitization is a process of issuing marketable securities backed by a pool of existing assets such as auto or home loans.
mm,
154. What
mm.
is a bill discounting? Bill discounting is a trade related activity where a company's unpaid invoices are due to be paid at a future date or sold to a financier.
Mm,
What are para banking activities? 155 question.
mm.
Para banking activities are undertaken by a bank apart from its day to day activity like deposits, withdrawals, etc.
This
What is
answer
the
is
role
not,
of
no, this answer is not correct. Actually, para banking activities are apart from deposits and advances, banks also do canvassing of insurance policies and mutual fund products. They also do wealth management advisory services. Such activities are called para banking activities. 156.
what is the role of NACH? NACH National Automated Clearing House is a web-based platform to facilitate interbank high volume electronic transaction for banks, financial institutions, corporative corporates and the government.
Okay.
157. Who are
Mm.
said to be foreign institutional investors? Foreign institutional investors are organizations
Hello. 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 I think your internet has gone or my internet has gone. I don't know. Niharika, you are able to hear me?
Hello.
Niha,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you are
Yes.
able to hear me. Yeah. Samson, yeah, I think you got disconnected in between. Please read.
one
157.
157. Who are said to be foreign institutional investors? Foreign institutional investors
Hmm. What happened? What happened, Saraswati? Acha. Niharika, why don't you
in which
continue?
government
Saraswati,
deficit.
what is Saraswati? What is happening? Are you having Wi-Fi or mobile banking, mobile data?
I was having mobile data, sir. Now I switched it to Wi-Fi.
Why did you not use Wi-Fi when you have Wi-Fi? Is it not working well with Wi-Fi?
Sometimes when power off, Wi-Fi might break, sir. That's why I use mobile data.
Okay, now you use this. Please speak. 157.
Who are said to be foreign institutional investors? Foreign institutional investors are organizations that collects funds from various sources and invest them in the financial market of other nations.
Okay.
158.
Hmm.
What is known as
Hmm.
deficit financing?
Hmm.
Deficit financing is a policy in which government spending is more than it receives as revenues.
Hmm.
159. Who
Hmm.
signs the 1 rupee note? The 1
Hmm.
rupee note is the only note bearing the signature of Finance Secretary and not the Governor of the RBI.
Hmm.
160. What are the factors contributing to NPA? The factors that are contributing to NPA are poor loan management policies,
Hmm.
improper credit appraisal, business failures, poor
mm,
recovery of receivables, industrial recession, and
mm.
adverse exchange rates. 161.
No,
How
wait,
does
wait.
NPA affect?
Sufficient. Sufficient. Thank you. For you, I don't know whether I told you when I was interviewing you for the first time. You will have lot of questions relating to your husband's Indian bank. Hello,
Okay.
they will ask questions
Yes,
related
sir. Yes, sir.
Indian bank chairman, then Indian bank
Okay.
deposits, Indian bank's position in the hierarchy of banks, what is its share price, like that they will ask more questions, so be ready for them
Okay.
also. Okay.
O- Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, what is it you studied in the last 2 3 days that you think you are prepared very well? Saraswati.
Um, I was reading few datas about PNB only, sir.
Hmm,
Then um,
hmm.
like AI and machine learning, the
Acha,
technical
acha.
part of industry.
Hmm,
Then about some of Tamil Nadu schemes and few states CM and what are the plans or schemes that have been
hmm,
offered to the public, something like that.
hmm. Something like that. Very good. Now, can you please tell me what is positive pay system?
Positive pay system. Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Anybody else can answer this question? What is positive pay system? Ankush, do you know what is positive pay system? Niharika, you know what is positive pay system?
No, sir.
Positive pay system is a system that has been introduced now where a person issues a check for over 5 lakhs. He has to inform the bank through SMS or through internet banking or through email, so that when the check is presented for payment, they will be verifying the details so that the alteration in the value of check, name of the payee, etc., can be prevented. And this will ensure, say, frauds being avoided. Okay. This is
Okay.
positive pay system.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now, next one. Um, cyber jug. What do you understand by e overdraft? What is meant by e overdraft? Anybody can answer this? I am asking everything from your bank's website. E-overdraft is electronic overdraft in the sense when you have a mobile banking or internet banking, and if you have an online deposit, you can raise overdraft against that. That is known as e-banking. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
very good. Some other points are all coming. Now, can you tell me, Mrs. Saraswati, what is the
Yes, sir.
difference between debit card and a credit card?
Uh, Debit card is a prepaid thing, sir, where we should have an account in the bank and our money is already been deposited. Based on that, our card will be given for any kind of payment system. It can be like Visa card or Mastercard like that. Whereas
Mm,
credit card is an credit facility that is being given to the borrower based on the credit evaluation. Evaluating is paying back. Um, some fixed amount is been either given for a month or quarterly or an annually, which is when the payment is done correctly based on the agreement to the banker, it will be automatically replenished so that he can continue his card transaction for any personal purchase or any other his personal needs.
Brave Bob, I forgot the question I asked you because you were telling something which is not relevant. The one,
Debit card and credit.
no, the one, I know. Now later on I could recollect it. The one reason, one factor for ensuring success in interviews is to tell briefly and to the point.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you defaulted in that regard. Now we will ask Mr. Ankush Taneja. Ankush Taneja, I want you to speak about what is debit card, what is credit card. Ankush Taneja, his phone is not all right. माइक को ऑन करो अंकुश तनेजा अंकुश तनेजा अच्छा लोग इसको ऑन करके बाहर चला जाते हैं ना क्या पता नहीं वेरी बैड देन आई विल आस्क निगारिका
Yes, sir.
निगारिका जी what is the difference between a credit card and a debit card?
So debit card, so credit card is like an overdraft facility by the bank, and the debit card is used with the amount that you already have in your account.
Okay, but actually I don't know, whatever you said is not wrong. See, a credit card is a card where a limit is allowed to the party or the
Yes.
customer, and he can use it for buying goods through from the shops or online, and he can also use for withdrawing cash up to the cash limit allowed. In case he withdraws cash within the cash limit allowed, he has to pay interest right from day one. On the other hand, when he purchases goods, using say electronic methodology or in the shop, he need to pay in charges only after the due date, only after the due date. And in the case of debit cards, there must be balance in our account. So the using the pin we have set for that, we can draw money from the ATM. We can use it for purchasing goods from shops and also purchasing online transactions. Something like that you can say. Anyhow, thank you so much. Today we have covered up to question number 160. We will continue tomorrow. I will go for lunch now. Thank you so much. I am doing this very slowly because we don't know when is the date they are going to announce. So I'm just covering all these points also. It will be useful for future, say, candidates who come. They can listen to this also. Thank you. Best
Thank you
wishes.
so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.